So again, I'm Dawn Johnston, the procurement supervisor, and we're here opening the LPG and maintenance bids. Today is April 11th, 2023. And before we get started, I just want to make a few introductions. We have Dennis Ryan. He is our coordinator of transportation. We have Steve Scrocky. He's our CFO. And we have Brian Linky, and he is our assistant business manager. So thank you all for joining us today. And just as a reminder, we are recording the meeting, and we ask if you have any questions, you wait until the end. I'm going to open the bids. We have two bids, and I will open them. And as I'm opening them, I'm going to be recording information on another screen, so I may not be looking at the computer, but just so you know what I'm doing, I'm going to be flipping back and forth between another screen to record the documentation. And then once I'm finished opening, I'll ask if there's any questions, and you can unmute yourself and ask questions if you have any. We anticipate opening or awarding this on April 20th at our board meeting. As long as everything is in order, it will be awarded. We will get back to you the day after to let you know what the board has decided to do with this bid. And with that, I'm going to start opening the meeting.
So on the board meetings on the 25th, it got moved. It's Tuesday, the 25th.
Oh, okay. I did not know that. I apologize. We were just discussing that. All right. So the board meeting then will be on the 25th. Let me write that down here. Not the 20th. And that's when we will be awarding it. Okay. The first bid is from Sharp Energy. Okay, we have a bid bond. The acknowledgements of the changes for the addendums were sent. We have the qualification statement, and we have the non-pollution affidavit. Okay, the first part of the bid, we have where we asked for bids from July 1, 2023 through June 30th of 2025. And Sharp has bid for year one to be 1.1879 per gallon. And for the second year to be 1.1392 per gallon. The quarterly maintenance is bid per visit at $250. And the emergency maintenance is bid at $150 for year one. I'm having technical difficulties again. And then for year two, it is also 250 and 150. We have an alternate bid quote for them. And that was for the 1 year of 2023 through 2024 at 1.879 per gallon and 250 and 150 for the year. 250 for quarterly maintenance and $150 for emergency maintenance. Okay, the second bid does not tell me who it's from, so I'll open it here. We have a check. The company is Jerome Rhodes Energy. There's a non-collusion affidavit and a vendor's qualification statement. And they acknowledged getting the addendums. Their bid for the 2-year bid was 1.2171 for year one and 1.1554 for the year two. And for the quarterly maintenance, 325 for a flat rate and $150 per hour. And then the emergency maintenance, there's 2 different options that they gave: regular business hours or after hours. And the regular business hours are $150 and the after hours is $300. Year two is also the same rate. The quarterly maintenance is 325 and 150 per hour, and the regular business hours are 150 and after hours for $300. There is an alternate bid quote, and for the year of 2023-24, it is 1.2171 per gallon. And the regular maintenance, the quarterly general maintenance is $325 flat or $150 per hour. And the emergency maintenance is $150 during regular business hours for a flat rate, and after hours is $300 an hour. And that concludes the opening of the 2 bids that we've had. Does anybody have any questions? I'm not seeing any questions, so I just want to thank everybody for joining us today for the bid opening. And as I said earlier, we will be presenting our findings to the board on April 25th to have the board make a decision on what they would like to do and how they would like to move forward for an award. So thank you very much, and I hope everybody has a great day.